Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.
You've got enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else. So why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell CleanView Vacuum with One Pass makes cleaning fast and simple. Powerful suction and an innovative brush roll get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the CleanView Dirt Bin shows you the proof. The CleanView is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the CleanView Vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell CleanView with One Pass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hey, Mom.
Look at you. Your purple outfit and your bow.
Ugh, let's rewind. With the Hoover T-Series Rewind, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, great on all floor surfaces with no loss of suction. Really get the dirt off the floor with more channels of suction. That's patented wind tunnel technology. So when you clean, do it right the first time with the Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Rewind.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
The #1 rated bagged vacuum in the industry is the Kenmore Elite Pet-Friendly Upright. Dirt and debris are no match for the beltless inducer motor, which is 20% more powerful than conventional Kenmore uprights. The Power Flow design helps airflow evenly as the bag fills for optimal power and performance. So you have the power you need to get the job done. From plush carpet to hardwood, the Kenmore Upright has a 5-position height adjustment for varying floor surfaces. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED so you know when the floors are clean. The Kenmore Upright has also been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. A telescoping wand and attachments tackle all the hard-to-reach areas in your home. And the Pet Handymate easily lifts away stubborn pet hair. The #1 rated Kenmore Pet-Friendly Upright Vacuum. Kenmore, be amazing.